The Sherlock drop-down menus are organized in the same hierarchy as a Sherlock project. We have our project, which can be comprised of multiple circuit cards. Each circuit card itself is made up of multiple files and parts. Those come together for us to run an analysis and obtain our results. If I click on the Project tab, you'll see that in here we have the ability to open and create a new Sherlock project, as well as import an existing project. We also are able to read in various archive formats, and we can import them in to create new projects also. In the circuit card drop-down menu, we can get to our circuit card properties, as well as add files and import different archives once again to make our circuit card. Under Files, we can view and edit the properties of all of the files that we've read into our Sherlock project. The Parts drop-down allows us to interact with all of the parts that come from our parts library. We can read in parts from the part library, as well as save our parts to the part library. Here we can also interact with our AVL. The Analysis tab allows us to run various analysis tasks, which I'll get into later. And our Results tab allows us to view the results once the analysis has been completed.